Hello guys, how are you? Today I am going to show you how you can download DirectX 12 for your PC. Let's start. Uh, you need to open a browser. You can choose any browser from your PC. I am choosing here my Chrome browser. Let's go and download it. Uh, Click to search bar and search here DirectX 12 offline installer. I am downloading DirectX offline installer. You can also download it from online, but now I am downloading it from offline installer. Okay, let's go to download it. Click the download button, close the ad, free download. It's not a offline installer. Okay, let's download it from another website. Okay, it's downloading, just wait. I also give this link in my video description below. You guys can go and check there. Just wait to install it. Okay, download complete. Now I am going to install it. uh, Run as administrator, yes. Where I want to install it, just select path. Okay, I want to install it in a new volume D. Click OK. Okay, click OK. Yes, it's installing, guys. Okay, install complete, I think. Let's go to our folder. Okay, now we need to install it from here. Okay, run as administrator. I accept the agreement. Next. Okay, it's installing, just wait for a minute. It's installing, just wait a minute. The component install are now ready for use. Okay guys, this is how you can download DirectX 12 for your PC and how you can install it. Just follow my step to do this. Okay, thank you for watching this video.